What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back to one more video. Finally today we are seeing some volatility on the Bitcoin chart, guys. Yesterday was a very slow, very boring day, but finally today we had this volatility, and as you can see right now we are retesting a zone of resistance exactly at this level. In this video we are going to talk about the Bitcoin chart, of course, BNB and Solana. So if that sounds interesting to you, don't forget to smash the like button already and stick with me until the end of this video. And of course, before I start, guys, I have to recommend you my favorite exchange. You're going to find the link in the description of this video and also on the comment section. The first link, you're going to have access to Bybit, my favorite exchange, and I definitely recommend to you. This is the one that I use the most. And if you sign up using this link right here, you can claim up to $30,000 bonus. But you have to do KYC. So if you want to keep trading anonymously, I would recommend you then to use the second link and sign up to Bitflex. Finally, coming to the Bitcoin chart, guys, you can see yesterday we were talking about this symmetrical triangle right here. This one, I told you of course about this because there is actually a symmetrical triangle. 1, 2, 3. Usually you need 3 touches at least on each side. We had it here, but I told you guys I am not trusting this symmetrical triangle and I am not going to trade it. I told you on the last video, and that it is, guys. We broke to the downside right here and we failed to hit the target right there. Instead we went all the way to the other side, hitting the stop loss of everyone that was shorting this movement. So lucky you that watched my video yesterday, heard me and didn't try to trade you to the downside. Right after stopping everyone, you can see that we have these volatile movements right here, and doing these volatile movements we can see that we were respecting a level. Yes, a level of resistance right here, which we are trying to break. That's the level that we were respecting. Let's see here if we manage to close this candle above this level. And if we do, most probably we are going to come all the way up to the next level of resistance right here, the most important one for this zone. If we fail to break to the upside here, guys, we can also pay attention to the level of this ascending support right here, because we can start doing an ascending triangle on this manner like this until we finally break it to the upside. But being rejected by this resistance and also losing this support right here, then most probably, of course, we are going to see some continuation to the downside. And if we manage to break this both resistance right here, guys, and find support at this level here, good news for us. Then we could see continuation to the upside, guys, to retest the level of 26,800 here once more. And once we hit this level again, we can zoom out right here to the 4-hour time frame and see that we would be forming right here a kind of double bottom, as you can see. From here, if we would break above this resistance here as well, then most probably we would finally have this relief rally that I'm talking for a while right here, to come at least all the way up to close the CME gap. BNB, guys, we already talked about BNB on the previous videos, but I was showing you the bigger time frame, the weekly time frame, the daily time frame. Today we are going to talk about the 4-hour time frame. Why? Because we are seeing a formation of an important pattern right here, and there it is. This one. What can you see here? This being the neckline. Yes. Head and shoulders. Head, the right shoulder. So we are right now retesting the zone of the neckline, and if we are going to break this neckline to the upside, find support here on the way back, guys, you know already how this plays out. The height of the head is going to be projected right here, and we would have a target of 237 right here, which coincides with this previous resistance that we had right here. And trading this pattern here, you can see that we have the probability of making 7 or 8% profit. On Solana, we are going to talk about the smaller time frame and also about the bigger. You can see that we have this white support right here, which was previous support, resistance, resistance, support, support, support. Yes, we had some fake outs here below the level of the support, as you can see sometimes right here, 1, 2 and 3. But all of these times, this time here we formed a bullish divergence, boom, went 10% to the upside. This one we came back once more, and now we formed a very good, very strong candle right here called Dragonfly Doji, as you can see, and we are trading right now above the level of the support once more. Coming to the bigger time frame, you're going to understand why this level right here is very important, why this rejection here is very important. Daily time frame, there you go. This blue line is a very strong and old, as you can see, line of support. Actually, it was previous resistance, and now it is acting as a support. The price broke above this trend line and came back down to retest it as a support, and we are being rejected from this point. So guys, this is pretty good for Solana right now. I am actually liking the price action that we are having so far, because from this point here, seeing the rejection that we are seeing, is very probable that we are going to come all the way up to the next level of resistance at $27, which from the point that we are right now would be at 30.29. Let me see. Yeah, 30% movement to the upside. But of course, only if we are going to manage to hold these both levels here as a support. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for being here with me until the end. If you like this content, don't forget to smash the like button. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you in the next time. Stay focused!